Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Epic Games account using your username. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser or the Epic Games application. And if you use your web browser, type in epicgames.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Epic Games. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner to proceed with logging into your account. This will open up the login portal within which you will be asked to enter your email address and your password to log in. Now within the email address box, if you type in your username, then the sign in button will not appear at all. So this means that you cannot log in using your username or your game user ID. However, if you created your account using any of the following social media options that you see underneath, then you can click on the respective account and you will simply be asked to choose this account, which you can just select and tap on the continue button. Once you tap on continue, you will be logged in to your Epic Games Store account right away. And now you can immediately start browsing through the various game libraries. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about logging in to your Epic Games account using your username. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.